afraid watch his computer now. To a man named Sean, and his wife, Carolyn. They do a vlog, and didn't you know it? They got the swag and they ain't afraid to show it. Come on now, it's time to go. It's time to watch the Bracketeers show.
What's up, everybody? So I got sick. I got this cold cough thing. I don't know where it came from. It was just all of a sudden, ugh. Started off with a sore throat, and then I started coughing, and my chest started getting it, all congested, headache. It just started hitting a couple days ago. Today, this footage I'm making right now is today, the day that it's being uploaded. But you know, usually I make my footage the day before. So yesterday, I wasn't feeling good enough to really talk at all. So I went to the place where I work is right next to an airport, like I was saying before, and we had an air show. And so I took my phone out with me and got a little bit of footage, and I'm going to pull that footage off the phone and stick it into the vlog here so you can see some of yesterday's fun footage. Alrighty, let's take a look at that.
Why do you think my water No, you have to play. You cheated. You cheated. Now where do you think my water bottle is?
Making a video. Hey. Cool.
That's what's supposed to happen.
I would have got a little bit more of the fun footage, but the snowbirds, they went last, and I had to run in and do some work, so I missed some of their show. I got a little bit of their footage, but all the really fun stuff I missed. As soon as I did the work that I did, I came out and they were done. I was like, oh. So that's too bad, but yeah. Anyway, that was today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it at all, give it a little thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, normally I'm not sick. Feel free to watch a different video before you subscribe, but I'd ask you to subscribe because we make a video every single day. Alright, if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribing is a good way to make that happen. Anyway, I'm going to whisper the ending so I don't make myself cough. So, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces. Pow.
Bracketeers. Bracketeers. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Yeah, yeah. This is the Bracketeers Ainsley. Subscribe before it gets too late. Just click the golden button today, and you get a new vlog to watch every day. Thumbs up.